Using the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress allows you to turn your website into a fully functional online store. Here's a concise guide. Install WooCommerce. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for WooCommerce, install the plugin and activate it. Run Setup Wizard. WooCommerce provides a setup wizard that guides you through fundamental settings. Configure your store's location, currency, shipping, and payment options. Add products. Begin adding products to your store. In the dashboard, go to Products, Add New. Fill in product details, including title, description, price, and images. Configure product settings. Set product categories, tags, and attributes. Configure inventory, shipping, and tax settings based on your business requirements. Choose a theme. Select a WordPress theme compatible with WooCommerce or consider using the official storefront theme. Customize the appearance to match your brand. Manage orders. Monitor and manage orders through the Orders section. WooCommerce automatically tracks order status and provides a user-friendly interface for order management. Install extensions. Explore WooCommerce extensions to add additional features and integrations. Extensions can enhance payment gateways, shipping methods, and more. Set up payment gateways. Configure payment gateways under WooCommerce, Settings, Payments. Choose the options that suit your business, such as PayPal, Stripe, or other available methods. Implement SEO best practices. Optimize product pages for search engines by using descriptive titles, meta descriptions, and relevant keywords. Regularly update. Keep WooCommerce and your WordPress site updated to access new features, security patches, and improvements.